I'm Moorlander and this is Moorlander EDC. Today, just going to get straight into it because we are looking at the Topo Designs accessory bag. This is the micro version. It's so small you can't see it. There are three versions. There's the micro, there's the small, and then there is the medium. I'm guessing at some point there might be a large, but I get at that point, if it's a large, you might as well just get a large bag or some sort of pouch. Comes in a variety of different colours. This is the navy blue, but if you go onto the Topo Designs website, which I'll leave links in, I just hit my camera. Nah, I'll carry on. Links in the description below. You'll be able to see all of the different variations in colours. They even do two-tone versions where you've got like a blue here and a red at the top. Very reminiscent of the colours where you've got red and blue, which are the Topo Design colours. It's actually constructed from 1000D Cordura, and it's also fully aligned. Bit of a sneak peek inside. You've got some nice high visibility 400D lining, which I personally think is very nice. You've probably seen on a lot of my other videos. I really appreciate little details like lining. It just gives that extra little bit of durability. It's also one of the things that I really appreciate about Topo Designs is the fact that they go into those little details to make sure that you're getting amazing kit. But I think the whole thing with durability is you just want to make sure that it lasts, and having a piece of kit that you can hand down to your kids, maybe it's a story to tell the grandkids, is absolutely amazing, and you know that you get that quality from that. So as I say, 1000D on the outside, 400D fully aligned. So you have a little Topo Designs logo on the front, also very proudly made in the USA. There are some, now I'm sure I've seen these, in fact I'm going to say yes there are. So there are some that are pretty much all black, where the logo on the front is black with grey stitching. I'm sure I've seen it. In fact, if I haven't, then, well, I've just invented that bit, so I'm pretty much sure I have. Measurements wise, it's 4.7 inches by 3.25 inches, and what else have we got? Width-wise, I mean, with nothing in it, it's only, say, I don't know, what's that, 1/8 of an inch? Yeah, maybe, 1/4 of an inch. Very small, put it that way. On the front, the zipper is a Ykk zipper, and it's a big, nice, juicy, fat, heavy duty, no snags, doesn't catch on anything on the inside. It is absolutely amazing for that. Here on the left hand side, you've just got a bit of paracord that's been looped through so that you can hang it on things, and then there's a bit of paracord attached to there. On the back, well, there's nothing on the back. It's perfect. So what do you use this for? Now, and as soon as I got this, I knew I didn't really need to test this. I didn't need to take it out on the road and test it, because it's just simple. It's as simple can be. Throwing a few more simples into the sentence there, but yeah, super simple. So at the moment, the way that I use this, you've probably seen this already, but I keep all of my wires for my mobile phone in here. So I've got a charge cable, I've got my headphones, and then I've got an adapter because it's all USB Type-C nowadays, isn't it? But let's say you take this out, you put it on one side. What else can I fit in there? Now, if you want to use this for carrying money, so here I've got some coins. Apart from that one, that's a beautiful coin, but that's not been in circulation since 1972. There's some coins. Here we've got a bit of money, drop that in. 10 standard size credit cards. No, that fits in as well. So you're thinking of using this as a wallet whilst travelling, you can do. Also, you get these things when you have to log in with internet banking. So even if you're away and you think you need to do a little bit of internet banking as well, look, it all fits perfectly. But what else can you fit in there, I hear you shout? So let's have a look. So let's take these out. Now you might want to use this as a small EDC pouch. So let's see how much EDC stuff we can put in there. So here we've got the Alox Pioneer. Oh, check in the description there. No, that's the card, whatever it's called. Then we've got the Pioneer X. Hope we can fit that in. Kershaw Pub fits in. We've also got Fox Bean Gen 2. Yeah, fits. Rovivon Aurora, little flashlight, that fits. What about a pen? Need a pen? Got to fit a pen in there. You know, Parker Jotter. Have to put that in at an angle, but there you've got. So if you're travelling and you're going through airport security and wondering whether or not you can take it through, always answer is no. So you can put all of your EDC stuff in a little pouch like this, stow it away with your bag, it gets sent off. Perfect. So what else can we fit in here? Let's take all of this out. As you can see, I've totally practiced and rehearsed this so that you can see that it all comes out smoothly. Now let's say you're an international cat burglar and you're just off to Milan to steal the family jewels. Family crown jewels, family jewels, yeah. So we've got a little 6mm mail on, another little carabiner, Night Eyes cam jam. Hey, check out all the products in this one. There we go, closes perfectly. So I think you can see already, without even testing this, it works perfectly, and that's because it's simple. Keep it simple, Tony. And what they've done is they've made a perfect little accessory pouch, accessory bag that fits a lot in there for its size. Cool. That's about it. Hopefully this video's come across okay. Now, unfortunately, my laptop's died, which is perfect timing because it's got all of my nice video editing equipment. So I'm going old school to see what I can do with Microsoft Office to publish this video and get it out to you. Hopefully you should see this in the next few days. Brilliant. So don't forget to hit like or ticks. Do that now. Good on you. Don't forget to subscribe. That's great. Hit the notification button as well so you'll get to see all my videos when they come live. Also, if you could share this video, that would be awesome. You can find me on Instagram at Moorlander EDC, and that's about everything. Brilliant. Stay safe, stay Moorlander, stay EDC.